Welcome again to this video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fund your PayPal account. So the step that we need to take is we need to head on to our Chrome browser now. Let's go to our Chrome. Alright, once you come to your Chrome, you type on paypal.com/uk because this is basically for a UK PayPal. So after that, alright, so what you need to do now, you need to scroll down. If you are using VPN, you need to scroll down first. You scroll and come to this place here and check if it is showing this symbol. You know, yes, that you are connected to a UK IP address. Okay, for me to still show you, let's just try to search for something and check. Let's try to search for something. Okay, let's just try to check for what is a man. What is a man, just to show you that I'm using a UK IP address via my VPN. My VPN is connected to the United Kingdom. So have you seen? So this is just to show you that my phone connection is not in Nigeria, but I'm in Nigeria. So after that, let's go to our paper because I wanted to show us this simple stuff for us to know. So alright, so this to show you that our paper now we are in the UK. So you need to click on this login. Then after you have clicked on login, come and put the password. I need to make this to show Michael Simon. Alright, okay, click on login. Okay, just get a text. Okay, you need to click on this get a text. We need to receive a text. Okay, 508422. We submit. After we have submit, it say you are all ready. Okay, so we need to, sorry, I forget to put this on a desktop mode. We need to put it on a desktop mode so that we can see all the process here. So in order for you to fund this your PayPal account now, remember this video is to show you how to fund your PayPal account. What you need to do now, you need to come to these three dots here. After you have come to these three dots, you come to, if you want to generate an invoice, you click this an invoice. Mean you want to generate invoice to someone that have a PayPal account so that the person can pay you. So after you have clicked on this generate invoice, after you have clicked on this generate invoice, what you need to do now, you need to come to this, you need to come here on this address. You click on create new customer. Have you seen? Click on create new customer, then you add the person name. As for me, let's just check. You add the person name, you add the person email address, and the person email address, then you click on add. After you have clicked on add, so you come to what are they paying for. You come to this what are they paying for. You don't need to create an items, you don't need to really, what are they paying for is optional. You just need to put the quantity and the make it £2 in total. You understand? You click on add. So after that, have you seen this to tell you that this person will pay you a total of £2? You understand? So okay, sorry, the name, you need to put the person name. Have you seen? This to tell you that how your invoice maker sent you an invoice of, have you seen? Have you see? View and pay invoice now. So you just view and pay invoice. You just need to just follow me up closely. And this is how the thing will show to that person. So you click on this send. Have you seen? You see send here. After you have clicked or filled the necessary thing that you need to fill there, after you have filled the necessary thing that you need to fill there, have you seen? If you see, just to tell you that okay, this invoice, this how it is. Now what you need to do now, you need to come to this send. You have you see this send here? My phone is in desktop mode, that's why it's showing at the top. You click on this send now. Once you click on this send, now have you see, just check the thing has been sent to the person. You click on done. After you have clicked on done, now you just need to click on done. Have you see, the invoice has been sent. Have you see, the invoice has been sent to this person. Now let's go to my email now so that I can show you. Have you seen? So this is how it works. Now assuming I have this balance now on my paper, I'll click on view and pay invoice. Have you see, then it will deduct the money from my paper directly. So this one is from the invoice aspect. Due to if someone have the PayPal account and you want to get the person, you want the person to pay you, then you want him to know exactly the amount that he's going to pay you. Hope you understand. Then what you just need to do, you just need to follow up this process. So you remember the last one that we did was to show you how to send an invoice to someone. Have you seen? This to tell you that the invoice has been go successfully. Have you seen? So it's just left for the person now to pay. What the person pays, you see everything here. Assuming I have up to that, assuming I have the amount now on my PayPal account, I could have shown you, but that is not what we need to do.